Shout out to all them fellow truckers out there. Y'all be safe on that road. Big truck got 18 wheels, stick got 18 gears.
That's how we spending our last day in Louisiana. We are trying Mama's fried chicken. And hopefully it's good. Well, it's good. Mama's fried chicken. Yeah. Mamas. Thank you so much. Welcome. Y'all have a blessed one. You too. Been doing this before I even have a good one. I'm gonna do a mukbang, so stay tuned for that. Give me the cheese, mac and cheese are rated.
6.
A 6?
Yeah.
What about the chicken?
Oh, the chicken 10.
A 10?
Oh yeah, the chicken is good.
And then the drink. What do you think the drink?
Oh, that drink a 9.
A 9?
9.
Don't drop it now.
Not off the floor.
What do you give it? I think what's going on?
8.5 is what I give.
8.5 altogether. Okay. So this is my food. Got some ketchup, the chicken, the roll, the rice dressing as they call it, but I call it dirty rice. Fries with some seasoning on there, and then they forgot the hot sauce, so I just have this hot sauce. Never had it, but we're gonna try that too. And their lemonade. Their lemonade is freshly squeezed. You can go ahead and try that now. Go. Yup. That's good. It's sweet. Okay. It's sweet. Some ketchup. Okay. Now that one didn't have the seasoning on there. Now this one has the seasoning all on it. Okay. I did try the mac and cheese. I did try the mac and cheese in the car. I don't know why I decided to do this mukbang outside. Yeah. I did try the mac and cheese in the car. Not good. But once I added their seasoning, because I got the seasoning on the side, it was A1. It was good. It's okay. Now I'm going to try their... It's a police car. I don't know. I'm going to try their dirty rice. Oh my God. Now, I've been to a lot of places in Louisiana. This is okay. And that seasoning. It needs that seasoning. Let's go with the main event. Chicken. Boom, sorry. Yeah. And you don't even need no, I really don't need no ketchup or nothing, but this is good. That crust is good. Now let me get into that meat. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. No. I know on the roll. Overall, this is good. Oh, this is good. This is good. I see why they be wrapped around a lot. I found this place off of TikTok, and I wanted to try before we leave. I'll give it a, for everything that we got, I'll give it a 9. Only because that mac and cheese, it tastes like white people mac and cheese until you put the seasoning on it. Then it tastes like, you know, chicken a 10. Chicken is a 10. Cajun rice, as they call it, or whatever. The dirty rice, I give it like a 4. Not gonna lie, not good. Fries, they're fries. 10. Roll. $10. It's a roll. Overall, this shit is good. Now let me try this hot sauce. I don't know if y'all ever had this hot sauce. Well, let me try it. Some thick ass hot sauce. No. Stick to what you know. And the lemonade is a 10 out of fucking 10. That lemonade is good. It's sweet. It is so good. And it just got that nice little bite. Now mine's a little watered down, but it has that nice little bite. Mama's fried chicken. You did your thing. You did your thing, huh? Yo, I'm trying to finish my fucking hair. Cause we leave at 5 something in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning. But look what the fuck I did, y'all. I'm so tired. I've been up since 5 o'clock. And look. Like, this is so... It don't make no sense. It's cute. Alright, y'all. It's like 6:30 in the morning. And it's time to pack up and go. Little man is just waiting. I'm waiting for his reaction to see the truck. I'm excited to see the truck when he comes and pulls around. So... Oh, look, look, I hear it. Look, Papa. Look. Look. Huh? You see that? Just park right here. You see that? What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's my man. It's my man. It's my man. Look at that. I don't care about none of that. Look, 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 look. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? My man, my man, my man, my man, my man. You excited? Yeah. Yeah?
Georgia Peach, put me somewhere on a gorgeous beach, but I'm right here in the hood, Posted with niggas that's up to no good.
Alright, y'all. We have made it into the truck. I'm starting to organize the top. That's where little man will be sleeping at night, obviously. And I'm getting ready to organize all of the stuff back here. I'm so fucking excited. Ready to hit this road. Ready to get the fuck out of here. Never coming back, never coming back. Never coming back, never coming back. Fuck this place. Gabriel Villa, you did us good. Get the fuck out.
Till I come. Then can you make me do it again? Where's your tongue? Can I please get a pink cloud with a drum? Big mama, big mama. Big me wet when he call me big. Yeah, when he call me big, big, big mama. Big, big. When he call me big, big, big mama. Big, big. When he call me big, call me big, call me big.
Alright, y'all, so we took a stop right now. We're getting ready to go pick up his load. It's literally a pickup and drop off, or drop and hook, I think he said it was. So we're getting ready to go do that. We took a break, about to eat some lunch. Little man is sleeping. He's so cute. I'm really, really excited. After that, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna stop somewhere and probably just pick a place to stop for the night, take a shower, and then be on to our next one. What happened? Oh, dang. Ain't that cool?
to the floor. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. Two stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. One, here comes the two to the three to the four. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. Two stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. Someone brought me up a double shot of whiskey. Double shot on me, double shot of whiskey.
That motherfucker's face.